Hey everyone, in today's video we'll explore PicFinder.ai, a new text-to-image AI generator. It's like a free stock image finding website such as pexels.com with an exciting twist. This website uses artificial intelligence to generate text to images by simply adding text to this search box. Let's add human portrait of middle-aged man and see how fast this website generated portrait images. You can scroll down to infinite times and this website will keep generating new images for the text we have added. If you like any image, simply click on this download icon to save it to your computer. Now let's try some other prompts. Brown and green leaf plants. Rock formation Troms Norway. I know the image quality is not as good as Midjourney, but it is generating unlimited images for free, and this is really useful for people who just want to play around new technology without spending any money. Let's quickly see some cool images I downloaded from PicFinder.ai. I hope you like the images, but I know some of you might struggle in thinking new text prompts, and for them I have one tip. You can go to pexels.com and search for any keyword that come to your mind and click on image that you like. Under the image, copy the image title and paste it in PicFinder to generate relevant AI images. Also, you can use AI PRM Chrome extension in ChatGPT to generate prompts on autopilot for the same title and add those prompts in PicFinder to generate more unique AI images. If you want to know how to create such cool custom prompt templates in ChatGPT with AI PRM Chrome extension, then you can check out my previous video on same topic and I will share the video link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to see more interesting AI and web development content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.